Hello, this is Sing-a-ling-a-long-a-ling, and I'm going to do a review on this toy, this stuffed animal, this stuffed toy, Minion. He's from Despicable Me series, and he's from the Despicable Me movie series, and he's from Minions. He worked for, in the Despicable Me series, he worked for a super villain named Gru. He was a protagonist. He's a protagonist villain. And in the Minions he worked for, in the prequel, he worked for a lady, I forgot her name. Anyway, I got this at Build-A-Bear. It was in Durham, North Carolina, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure. Here's what I was saying.
Oh, hello, papayera. Tú le pegas con la papaya. La 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 la.
As you can see, he has overalls. And this is his eye. On the back you can see pockets. Now these are the shoes I got to go with it. Those are not the exact shoes he wore in the film, but I didn't realize that until it's too late. This is his head. This is his arms. That's about it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.